here I will show you how to update GetX list. Now take an example over here. This is my list. Actually, this is RX list, which means GetX list type. RX means that your list is observable. Now here my list is of course a custom list. It's not like int or string, but it doesn't really matter. The first thing you have to do, if you have a list and you want it to be observable and reactive, which means that it should be updated and UI should know, the first thing you have to do, you have to tag OBS with it. You have to do that. Of course, there's the other way to do that, but here we are using OBX. So your list could be anywhere in any class, but you should separate it. So I put it in a special class which is called chat. I'm sharing the concept over here, so it doesn't matter. So you declare a list and then you tag it OBS. So that's the first step. And the second step is that if you somehow change your list, which means that you are updating, like for example, I'm updating the list. Okay, so this is the list. Actually, I'm getting a reference. So remember, there's our list, message content list, and I'm getting it over here. And now I'm changing the value of this list, which means that I'm changing the data. Anyway, over here, I'm just inserting a data. I'm using insert function to insert data in a list, but of course this insert is Dart function, not really GetX one. Anyway, we do that, and after that, this is the most important one. Over here we are doing refresh, so you have to call refresh function on your list. Now this refresh function is GetX function, not directly coming from Dart or Flutter itself. So you do that, but of course at the end on your UI you also have to wrap your UI, the core section of your UI, using OBX, otherwise it will not work. So the idea is first to make it OBX, and then if you update, you can go ahead and update, and after that you do refresh, and after refreshing on your UI you should wrap it around OBX, the variable that you are using, and then you're good to go.